A new year always compels people to take a fresh look at their goals, from health, career, relationships, and finances. But with low mortgage rates, increased home sales and price growth, along with a tight housing inventory, now is the right time to review your home ownership goals. Home sellers, we've laid out plans for you to get top dollar for your property, including timing your home sale, making your property stand out from the crowd, and investing in any extra living spaces. Interested in buying a home this year? This is the year to improve your credit score, pay down some debt, and save for a down payment. Even if you're staying put for a while, homeowners, you can resolve to improve your status quo by evaluating your home budget, finalizing your home maintenance schedule, maybe investing in a second property. So, no matter what your homeownership status is, we've got ideas and advice for you. Hold on to learn more, whether you're considering selling, buying, or just staying put. This is Kimberly DiPrima, a realtor with Option Realty Group in the far western burbs known as the Fox Valley. First, we'll have 3 tips for home sellers. First, decide on the right time to sell your home. If you're looking to maximize profit on the sale of your home, selling early in the year makes sense. Listing prices historically increase early in the year. They peak about May and then they plateau around June. They decrease for the remainder of the year. According to the National Association of Realtors, with both mortgage rates and the number of homes available for sale expected to remain relatively low, home prices are likely to continue to increase. But sales price isn't the only thing to consider. You might not be ready to sell your home yet because you don't want to uproot the children during the school year, or you need to make some minor home repairs. This means there is no right 1 month or season as a perfect time to sell your home. Instead, the right timeline is what takes into account such factors that fits into your schedule for highest profit, your convenience, and whether you're ready to sell or not. Watch this video at some point. It outlines the time frame to selling your home. Number 2, tips for a home's resale value by making your property shine. What do I mean? Why is it important? With housing inventory at historic lows, that means the market is fiercely competitive. Selling your home has the potential to net you a huge return right now, and you can maximize that amount with some simple fixes to make sure your property outshines the house for sale down the street. In your home, you might need to tackle a few minor updating projects, such as upgrading the flooring or a fresh coat of paint. According to the 2019 Remodeling Impact Report by the National Association of Realtors, replacing floors with new wood flooring recoups you 106% of your costs. Don't forget outside, you might consider improving the curb appeal by removing any dead bushes, trimming a tree that blocks the front window, power washing the driveway and sidewalks. In fact, cleaning the exterior of your home can add $10,000 to $15,000 on the home's sale price, according to a Virginia Tech study. Make sure to watch this video later to give you 5 tips on curb appeal. The third tip would be invest in any extra living spaces that might meet current buyers' needs. This past year, due to COVID-19, many people have been staying home to work, school, exercise, and stay entertained. And these lifestyle changes are showing up in home buyers' preferences. For example, according to one study, buyers are looking more and more for homes that have a formal outfitted home office, private outdoor spaces, and updated kitchen appliances. So if you have underutilized rooms, consider turning them into an office, a home gym, a schoolroom, a multi-purpose room to meet the current needs of buyers and attract better offers for your home. The same goes for spaces outside. You could turn up the heat a little bit in the backyard with some outdoor entertaining area by adding a fire pit, upgrading the patio furniture, or installing a grilling area. And don't forget about some outdoor lighting. Make sure to catch this video later. It gives you 5 tips to prepare your home for sale. Hold on, home buyers, we're talking to you now. First piece of advice for a home buyer is to qualify for a better mortgage with higher credit score. Your credit report highlights your current debt, bill paying history, and other key financial information. It's also used by lenders and companies to calculate your credit score, which is partially determines if you will qualify to obtain a mortgage. Therefore, before you start house hunting, make sure you have your finances in the best possible shape. Check your credit report, annualcreditreport.com. Your credit score will be a number ranging from 300 to 850. Generally speaking, a credit score of 740 or higher is considered very good to excellent. If that FICO score drops below 740, you might need to consider boosting your credit score for a few months before you begin house hunting. By paying your bills on time every month, keeping those credit card balances low, and avoid applying for any new credit. If this past year has hit you hard financially, see this video with steps to protect your credit score. Second piece of advice for home buyers is to improve your credit health by paying down debt. What do I mean by that? Well, do you have any student loans, credit card debt, or car payments tying up your income each month? This debt is hurting your buying power, or the amount of home you can afford. Not only is it the money that you can't spend on your new home, but your debt to income ratio reflects in your credit score. The least debt you have, the higher your FICO score and your better mortgage that you can obtain. So what do? Pay off some debt in its entirety, like a low balance on a credit card, and then apply that extra money you previously paid on that credit card to pay off the higher debt, like a car loan. Maybe consider selling the car for a least expensive one with a smaller car payment, or maybe no car payment at all. Even if you can't pay off any or all of your debt in full, reducing the balances on each account will help you qualify for the best possible mortgage terms. Create a financial safety net before applying for a mortgage. Don't forget that buying a home requires some cash as well. The amount needed for the down payment varies. It can be 3.5% for an FHA loan. However, the typical down payment is around 7% of the home purchase price. And don't forget closing costs. Plan on 3 to 4% of that purchase price for your closing cost expenses. You'll also need money for moving expenses and any initial maintenance tasks that may pop up. And if that's one thing the pandemic has taught us, you never know what unforeseen events may cause a job loss, drop in income, or a health scare. So make sure you have some liquid savings to ensure that you can still pay your mortgage if a crisis occurs. Dedicate some effort to building up those reserves, cutting down on unnecessary expenses, and consider having a portion of your paycheck automatically deposited into your savings account to avoid any temptation to spend it. Now, there's plenty of homeowners who are not considering selling. You're staying put. We've got 3 tips for you as well. First one would be to evaluate your household budget to reflect your financial changes. After this past year, your financial picture may have changed. Maybe you were furloughed, had your hours reduced, or got a new job further from home. Perhaps you've kept the same job, but you're now working remotely. A work from home arrangement could mean less money spent on gas, tolls, professional wardrobe, and dining out for lunch. But this could also mean new or increased expenses that you're now working from home, such as new technology purchases, such as a faster Wi-Fi or higher electric bills. This is the perfect time to update your income and expenses, review last year's spending habits, and tweak them as needed. For more specifics, download a free report called 20 Ways to Save Money and Stretch Your Household Budget down in the description below. Second piece of advice I have for homeowners is to save money now, and it can earn you more later with a home maintenance plan. Having a schedule of regular home maintenance projects to tackle will save you money now and then in the long term. You'll avoid any surprise emergency fixes And when you do eventually decide you're going to sell your home, you'll be able to get higher offers from buyers because you haven't put off any overdue repairs. Even if nothing necessarily needs fixing right now, you can lower your energy costs by maintaining and upgrading your home. I read, according to the U.S. Department of Energy, simple fixes add up. Replace 5 most frequently used light bulbs with those Energy Star ones, and it can save you $75 a year. Repair leaky faucets and save $35 a year. Replace those older toilets with the low flow models, it can save you $100 a year. And seal any air leaks. It'll save you upwards of $80-some a year. For a breakdown of our home maintenance projects to tackle throughout the year, go ahead and download our free guide, Home Care Calendar, a seasonal guide to maintaining your home, down in the description below. Homeowners, consider investing in real estate for a better standard of living. What do I mean by that? Even if you don't plan on leaving your current residence, real estate is a great way to improve your quality of life. Think about it. Do you have cabin fever after this long quarantine? A vacation home in a getaway location you love lets you safely spread your wings. And if you've been looking for a second stream of income, an investment property might just be the answer. Want some more information on how a second property fits into your plans? Again, we have a free report down below in the description, Move Up or Second Home, which one is right for you. We can even screen agents for you in other areas. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or stay put in your home, it helps to connect with a trusted real estate professional to keep you motivated and on track. As market experts, we have the knowledge, expertise, and networks to help you achieve your home ownership goals, whatever they may be. Reach out to us today for a free virtual consultation and commit to a happy and prosperous year. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you found this information helpful, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to go to the description box below for those downloads. Thank you, have a great day, and God bless.